Da gejing sokya lor gejing syak khang kerdep kemarten ha keseng samla maulai pelun kabelebu ha gejing ia iki kali kit nyut ki belum yunyut na keleng kenong bak shlong ban bret hamarten. Ha ka arpu arterik unaitung menteri kampen roisor ubak snya walang dhar rengkat gejing dan lang kinong elam keseng samla maulai pelun kirang bak shnong ke maulai UMLA ke maulai ubak proses di saukmia UMDC ubak tebor lang patau kilal jurep ke marten bak hadian gejing taisani kelashim karai bantau daka komiti. Ubah senyawa palang dhar udoong bagane ke komiti gane taisani lor gejing ke bagi nong maulai ke kendo na gejing don ke marten bat kin chimi kilat klenti benweng yakini gejing Hagane ke komiti le don lang menteri kampen resor ki officer ke Shillong Municipal Board kinong elam ke seng samla maulai pelun kirang bak shnong bat kinong mi kemat pat ba ke maulai. Menteri ule thoru bag sarkar karang ya chkemat ban wat jaka ban bo ek jaka lumnyut hakeleng ki benta jong ke jela. Halor kini gejing kular menteri bantawi ke komiti banyatai sani bat banweng ni gejing jogi nong maulai. Nagaliang keseng samla maulai pelun kelarai ban syano eki kalikit nyut ban bret nyut hapok marten. Ban shpenkan mau keseng samla maulai pelun hak arpoi terik unaitung kelalit ban khang kerdep eka marten. Dai namar ba menteri sarkar shemlabat eka kular wat haba keseng samla maulai pelun kala aipor artayo ban let jurip gejing long jengman jong ke marten.
You see like this, today in the presence of the local MLA, MDC and the Seng Samla from Maulai, they have met me from time to time and request me to visit and join as a joint inspection in this place, and we have done it today. And today we have decided we'll have a meetings on the 3rd of August, and we'll see the view and the suggestion from the Seng Pelun, and we'll sit nicely. We'll involve all the department who are linked with this also. And on that day we'll decide nicely how to go with it. And later with the more time, the new landfill, I promise as soon as possible, we will try to get a new landfill. And that is already under process. There are 4 or 5 places, record is not with me, but 2 or 3 places already in specs, and some of them is feasible, some of them is not. And still 3 or 4 more places they are yet to visit, okay? Maybe on the 3rd after the meeting, I can highlight you. That is the duty of the pollution board, not me. But anyway, if they need me, I can discuss with them. Environment look by pollution and urban department. There is a sector which look by different department, okay? And in related with this, my officer I think have done a job over that. You know how to do this. So now fencing has been done from that side. That is the reason this land is yet to be full. We are hurry for the new landfill because of that reason only. The one which you have asked me just now.
So just one last question.
They have to allow. Who can stop? If nobody stop, I'm telling you, I have to do with as per rule. And they didn't block. They are responsible youth from this area. They didn't block that. You see, they just want to meet me. They didn't block. I appreciate them also.
Ik wajah mana kalau mana keseng sama mulai pelun mo ngira khang dari di bengi khang pat ban mo hari mengayo ketien na I minister badan buram jongi ila ang pangin fanya kendo tek penpa ba ikwa hi banya dan kat banya solve lagi ni problem mo jongi bagila ong ru ila penpa ba kini kebenaran mata kan de permanent solution ke jongi bat kai ke ba ila ong ru kolong ba ha kalai terik banai banwan ngindio banyak table banyak keren mo na kalian ke jongi ka sang malam pelun baro hi ki stakeholders badan pemulai hi kinong elam ke jongi ki nong ikhmat ke jongi baro ngini pengkrek ngini keren ya tai seni bha mi perhat ke solution bo biang tam ndak banta kinong mulai hi baro ko wai na kalian ke jongi ru kumbai minister yang balada don kam yak sang malam pelun ndak bata ban awareness habai de bakani nak nu banyarap i ke banta ban yo ik caka banyak keren pak ikui sinong bikin syapat yak sarkar ban penbiang ya ka dumping ground ya ka landfill area nak benta ka Jakarta nyut patmai nak kalong nak kalian ka jongi kalong ka beredi ka juga pat ka jongi kembalong MLA ka jongi hi kalong ba pi kidan kisnong ki lese ki sutu bakla ki persya no mas nong baka sarkar kan wan bu Jakarta nyut daki kani ki baro kami hap na pale si ipin the unyut jompi pat si ipin the unyut jompi la khang sa mata la ka khang kamolai ma di bapura minister ada ni khang kamolai ngi sya tan kamolai bethe yut hani kui kini the sinu da perkhat bahasa pun persya kai ka jikar pat ka chunga hang ni kalong ba ya ka department mo concern ka Shillong Municipal Board ne ka State Pollution Control Board kalong pa ngin perkhat kalanti ka biang ya ba kuno ngin wara de ki core ki board ki technology ki bakot ka juk ko manta pa kani ka landfill watmai ka dumping ground site ka batmai kan num long suk kani kai ka bang kwa ban kolong hoj previous leaders, previous ministers, they have failed. Temarten bagi expect. We have high hopes. Hapok kajing alam minister pemerintah di mas nghalang dhar bangin job sendiri ni ke issue pemerintah.
No, the previous leader didn't fail. They are trying.
They're trying.
Okay? Please.
Yes,
They
have
are
tried.
not fail. No. They are trying. Means I'm trying. Trying is a continuous process. But sometimes there is a time bound.